So I finally finalized the chassis for the Proffie Heart conversion. So I tested it with more plastic cement, and it's actually pretty secure now. So this one is the Malgus, the Dominator, and the Boars. So currently the Proffie Heart is in the Malgus, so there's the pull tab sticking out. And then to remove it, just pull along the pull tab, like that, and it'll slide right out. So here's the redesigned Proffie Hearts with the original Proffie 2.2, Ultimate Works proprietary connector, their breakout board back here, which is kind of how they handle pretty much most of the wiring in the Proffie Heart. The battery holder here, which now takes a protected key power 18650 battery. Got your 22mm bass speaker in there, as well as the pull tab. It's kind of chemically welded in place. So let's put a battery in here. So the flat side toward the spring, the negative, and the button top towards the positive. So the Ultimate Works breakout board has the LEDs, the NeoPixel accent strip at the back, as well as onboard buttons here. So let me put it in the board, so it's a little bit easier to handle. Unscrew the pommel. So for the bores, if you face the board and the battery towards the AV switch, that would put the AV switch as the main switch and the silver dome as the tactile switch. Got your illuminated NeoPixel connector in there. I'm going to cycle to the AMH training font. And it's that one. Yep. So let me put a blade in here. Got your blacker blocks. Got your smooth swing. So you don't trigger accent swings. So surprisingly for a 22mm, it actually sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty much like a 24mm with the cone enclosed. Pretty loud. So I've also reformatted the SD card, so it should be a lot faster now. Not as much lag in the blade effect. So let me take the blade out and then swap this over to the Malgus. The bottom is the main switch now. We'll quickly put a blade in here. Hopefully that went all the way in. Let's tighten this just a bit. So here's the Malgus with the Vader font. Pretty loud. This one actually has a pretty good resonance chamber. So as you can kind of see there. There's that much room for sound to travel. So yeah, it took quite a bit of time to get this working, but finally had a solution that I'm pretty happy with. And to remove the Proffie Hearts from the Malgus, just remove the pommel and then pull along the pull tab, like so. So because the thumb screw is just kind of screwed in, there's like another locking nut on the other side. If you rotate it counterclockwise, it could loosen it. So if that happens, just rotate it clockwise. Just keep on rotating, and that should tighten back up, like there. And then just pop the battery out. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I'll try to send this to you as soon as possible. Thank you.